Welcome to OT Tricks and Tips for Kids, where we're taking OT to the next level. My name is Katina Lottis. Remember, if you don't see your topic, just write in so that I can address it. And please don't forget to subscribe. Now let's take a look at a problem solution video. This next tip is for helping kids age 12 and up manage auditory defensiveness. This is one of my favorite strategies because it's discreet, because it's portable, and because it's real easy to use if a child isn't tactily defensive and doesn't mind having something in the ear. So if your child really benefits from white noise, rather than record music on a wireless earbud, you can do a recording of white noise. Then your child is able to use the earbuds and have the environment and sound really dampened down. Now, I'll put a link on otkidsmass.com to a pair of relatively inexpensive wireless earbuds if you want to take a look at this kind of product. But it's a great trick because they're small, they're very discreet, and you can just carry them with you and use them as needed. So if you have an auditorily defensive child, definitely check this tip out and see if this helps. Break me down and build me up, whatever it takes.